Magnet. A magnet is a substance that attracts iron, cobalt, etc. Magnet was first known as magnetite. Pieces of magnetite are also known as leading or lodestone, as they always point in the same direction. Magnetism. The force that causes magnetic materials to attract or repel each other is called magnetism. Natural and artificial magnets. Natural magnets are those which occur in nature. Artificial magnets are made by us. Magnetic substance. Materials that can be attracted and converted by magnets are called magnetic substance. Example: iron, cobalt are some magnetic substance. Substance which cannot be attracted are called non-magnetic substance, example, wood, etc. Properties of magnets. Poles of magnets. A magnet has two poles, north and south pole. Directional property. A magnet always points towards north-south. Repulsion property. According to this property, like poles of magnet attract each other and unlike poles attract each other, that is, North Pole attracts South Pole and vice versa, but North Pole repel North Pole and South Pole repel South Pole. Making of magnets. Normally magnets are found in nature, but some artificial magnets are made by rubbing of iron with a magnet. These magnets may be permanent or temporary. Uses of magnets. Magnets are used in many places like in compasses, refrigerator door, magnetic tapes, computer hard disks, speaker, motor and generators, cards, nuclear magnetic resonance to study the brain, etc. Demagnetization of magnets. A magnet can be demagnetized by heating, hammering and dropping, keeping like poles of two magnets together. Care of magnets. Magnets should never be heated. Magnets should be kept away from electronic items. Bar magnets must be stored together with opposite sides lying side by side. A piece of wood should always be kept between magnets, which is known as keepers. Keepers prevent demagnetization.